Very good afternoon, sellers. My name is Faisal, and I work with the Local Shops business team. And I welcome you all to the webinar of peak management, where we will understand how to handle increased order volumes during the festive season that's coming up. Well, going to the next slide, giving a heads up on what the Local Shops program is. It is a program that offers faster delivery with prime experience, where the delivery is being managed by the seller. Any seller who's a retailer or a store owner or a homepreneur from any part of the country can be a part of this program. And also, any seller who has its own delivery fleet or a tie up with a carrier partner can be a part of Local Shops program, where the seller can offer value-added services such as demo or installation during the delivery. Going to the next slide, I would also want to give you a heads up to the benefits of being on this program. The benefits of being on this program are, this while you're being on this program, this will definitely help you boost up your sales with the prime tag being visible to your customers on Amazon.in. You can also sell unique products such as flowers, refrigerators, heavy and bulky items. You can deliver your products through your own delivery fleet or delivery associates or any of the integrated courier partner. You can use existing inventory from your store where you don't have to store inventory to another location. You can enhance your reputation as a local trusted brand where your local customer network base can order by name. Also giving a heads up that you can also offer value added services such as installation, demo, and that will definitely help you boost up your sale volume. You can deliver fast while being on this program through same day, 1 day, and 2 day delivery to customers. You can also have improved product discovery to local customers. Going next, you know, in this slide, I would want to give you an idea on the order life cycle and the common mistakes while processing an order. Once you receive a local shop order, the next thing that you do is pick pack the order and then ship confirm in Seller Central. Well, while doing this process, there are a few common mistakes that the sellers have been doing. Let me give you an idea of what how to avoid the common mistakes and you can overcome. The first of all, you need to avoid extensive coverage. So you might want to work with your carrier partner to understand what are the pin codes. The carrier partner would be able to cater during same day, 1 day, and 2 day delivery. At the same time, also manage your aggressive order cutoff time to effectively deliver your product and hand over the product within the ship by date. And while you're ship confirming the order in Seller Central, if you're using the confirm ship and workflow, you need to provide a valid tracking ID. Well, now going ahead and understanding what how do you would post how would you would fulfill or deliver the order using the two streams that we have, that is confirm shipment and buy shipping. First, confirm shipment. Well, if you're using the confirm shipment workflow, all you got to do is hand over the order to the carrier partner, post which work with your carrier partner to ensure that the product is delivered on time. Here the common mistakes are if you avoid given an example, the package is handed over to the carrier next ship date, and that's a mistake. So here, to avoid this, you need to hand over the product on the same ship by date. And another common mistake is when not following up with the carrier to ensure the delivery is on time. Going ahead, the next workflow is by shipping. Well, once you ship confirm on Seller Central, if you choose to deliver the product by yourself or through your delivery agents, you choose the buy shipping workflow, where you do a pickup scan on Amazon delivery app, which is pre-installed, which is installed on your smartphones. And once you deliver the product to your customer, update the delivery scan on Amazon delivery app through your smartphone. Well, the common mistakes here again are, while you pick up the order, you don't you have there is no pickup scan, or if you're not using an integrated if you're not using an integrated carrier, and not mentioning or updating the tracking details on Amazon delivery app. Again, once a product is delivered, the common mistakes are, the late delivery scan, or there is no delivery or attempt scan, not following up with carrier, or ensuring there is no delivery time. Well, sellers, let me again remind you, while you're being a part of this local shops program, this program deliver, is this program is something that offers faster delivery with prime experience, which is where you deliver the products on same day, 1 day, and 2 day. Going next, you know while you being a part of this program, having performance parameters is super important. There are four major parameters on this program. That is VTR, which is called valid tracking rate. This measures how many orders customers were able to track and know when they can expect to receive them, and your given target is 100%. And the next metric would be delivery estimate accuracy, which is DEA. And this metric measures how many of your orders are delivered or attempted on time, and your target is above 97. Okay, so please ensure that the products are delivered on time. And your next metric would be pre-fulfilled cancellation rate, that is called CR. This measures all orders cancellations initiated by you or auto cancel during the due to fulfillment time expiration, and this should definitely be less than 1%. And your last metric is ODR, that is order defect rate. Well, this metric measures seller's ability to provide a good customer experience, and a given target is less than 0.5%. So please ensure you provide good customer experience, and which is where you will be able to boost up your sale volume. And up next, track performance in local shops. Well, it is very important that you track your performance on local shops, and to help you do that, we definitely have a mechanism where we send a weekly performance report to your registered email address for you to easily track your performance against the above mentioned metrics. Like I just discussed, the four metrics: VTR, DEA, ODR, and CR. We definitely share you a weekly performance report to your registered email address. We also send you performance notifications. Well, you definitely receive SMS from us for all of your unshipped orders daily at 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. This is to ensure that all of your unshipped orders are shipped in due time. You also receive email communications on breach in account performance every Thursday, and every fortnight there's definitely a WhatsApp communication which is sent to you on breach in account performance. Well, for you to closely track the business report, there's also a feature in Seller Central where details of all local shops orders that had promised delivery date during the last 14 days would be available. And to navigate, all you got to do is go to Seller Central reports and custom reports. Okay, going next. Now coming to the important section of the webinar: what to expect during the festive season, and what you can do to have a seamless festive experience. We usually see a huge spike in demand for products during the festive season, which in turn will lead to sellers receiving increased orders volume during the time. And these are few of the problems that we have seen sellers generally face during the peak time. For example, you might run out of inventory or manage or packaging material. There could be unexpected disruptions in internet, or printing, which are crucial for processing orders. Or you might have problems with carrier capacity or manpower ability. In the following sections, we will see how you can be prepared for all the situations so that you can have a seamless festive peak experience. Going next, what are the things that you need to be prepared and for in order to have a seamless festive experience, and you need to be prepared before the festive season arrives. So in the next slide we'll talk about so in this slide we'll talk about all things that you must do before the festive season sale starts, so that you're well prepared to handle the spike in order volumes. Remember, delivering orders to customers by the promised time is our due priority. So the first comes is updating pricing. Please keep your products product details and price updated on the platform, customers tend to buy products which have more details on the display pages. So if you want more customers to buy your products, please make sure that you have all the products details updated. The other important thing is price. It really matters. If you haven't updated your price of your products, two things might happen. One, if you have high price, people might end up buying from other sellers who have low prices, or if you have too low, or if you have too low a price, or if you have too low a price, you might end up getting more orders than you can fulfill, and this might lead to order cancellation. Next would be maintain adequate inventory. We typically see a huge increase in order volumes during the festive season. So please make sure that you have enough inventory in your store to cater to the increased order volumes during festive season. When a customer places an order, you are expected to fulfill them within the promised delivery date, that is same day, 1 day, and 2 day in local shops. If you're not able to process the order before the ship by date, then the orders will be auto cancelled and the cancellation fee will be triggered to your selling account. So please do avoid this scenario and have sufficient inventory to cater to all your orders. So, like I said, sellers, it's super important to manage inventory, have adequate inventory. Up next would be ensure manpower availability. During the festive season, we have seen that many of our sellers face issue with manpower as they might be on leave due to personal reasons or XYZ reason, which is more pronounced during these COVID times. So please talk to your staff and make sure you have enough coverage during the festive season so that you can process the increased order volumes. If your staff would be on leave, please make necessary arrangements like training someone else on things like how to operate Seller Central, how to pick and pack and ship orders, etc. And it's very important to arrange your alternatives while you're being prepared for the upcoming sale. Like I mentioned earlier, during the festive season, we generally see a huge spike in order volumes, and you would need all your resources in proper condition to work all the orders, to process all the orders. Let's take a simple example. What if your printer doesn't work that day? What if your area has an unexpected power outage? What if your internet connection is down? What if you do not have packaging material? All these, that is internet, electricity, packaging material, printer, are essential to process your orders on time. Any other day, these disruptions will not affect you or your business, because you can correct them and still process the low volume of orders. But during the festive season, any time that is lost will affect your ability to process orders on time. On time being the key word here. So please make necessary arrangements like having a UPS for power backup, keeping printer services in good condition, having enough power, having enough packaging material, and having backup for internet connectivity handy, which is super important. Well, up next would be inform your carrier partner. What are the most important things while you're using the confirm shipment workflow? You should be aware of during this. We should be aware that during this festive season, it is that capacity of carrier partners will be strained beyond their limits. Carrier partners will be transporting more and more tools and more loads than ever before, and their capacity will be constrained. This will be more pronounced due to COVID situations in the country. So we strongly recommend that you have a word with your carrier partner and let them know that you might see an increased order volume so that they are prepared. Again, if your carrier partner refuses to take your orders due to the capacity constraint, it will once again be a hit on your performance. Moreover, it will lead to a bad customer experience. So it is absolutely essential that you talk to your carrier partner in advance to understand the operational constraint and plan accordingly. So please discuss in detail with your carrier partner well and before about the locations they cover within 2 day, the pricing and pickup timing, etc. And same applies for same day and 1 day. Finalizing pickup and cutoff time. As you might all know already, cutoff time is a time of the day that of the day till when you are okay to receive an order that must be processed and shipped on the same day. For example, if you have a cutoff time of 5 p.m., all orders received before 5 p.m. must be picked, packed, and shipped on the same day. Also, it is really important that you set a cutoff time based on your carrier pickup based on your carrier pickup time. So I'll also give you a heads up as how to change or edit your order cutoff time. Please give me a moment. Well, while this is how your seller central would look, all you got to do is go to settings, shipping settings, and this is where you manage your order cutoff time. That is called your operating days. So all you got to do is click on edit, and you can choose to work on all 7 days during your peak hours. All you got to do is check in the box. And if you got to change your order cutoff time, click on 2-day delivery, change your order cutoff time. For example, if I want to do it for 5 p.m., and for next day delivery, that is one day if I want to change it for 4 p.m., and same day delivery if I choose to do it at 2 p.m. And all I got to do is click on save, and the changes are made. Getting back, prime order volume control. So let's we all understand that customers prefer prime products more than non-prime ones. So naturally, there will be a huge increase in prime order volumes than non-prime ones. In case you feel that you might not fulfill a huge number of prime orders, we have a feature through which you can use a you can restrict the number of prime orders that you receive. This does not mean you will not get any order after the limit is reached. Once you reach the limit, the prime orders of that day will be stopped. However, you will still receive normal orders after that. Also, since there will be increased order volumes all around, we recommend that you have a separate processing area for local shops orders to avoid any mix up. Also, always prioritize processing faster delivery orders, that is for same day, 1 day, and 2 day, because local shop program offers faster delivery experience with Prime. And also letting you know that you must process all your Prime orders before processing your standard orders. Now we have seen that you can now we have seen how you can keep yourself ready to face the increased order volumes during the festive season. Now let's see the things you should do during your festive season. During the day, orders might be flowing in continuously. So it is highly recommended that you check your Seller Central account multiple times a day, at least twice a day, so that you will not miss out on processing and shipping any order. So let me just show you. All you got to do is go to your Seller Central, go to orders and manage orders. So this is where you will be notified if there are any unshipped orders where you need to confirm shipment. Okay, so this is the tab where you click on unshipped and you will be notified. So going next, once you received orders, there are filters to identify same day, 1 day, and 2 day delivery, which is definitely as priority same day and 1 day delivery. Okay, so like I mentioned above, all you got to do is ship your orders on the same ship date against a delivery date. So, like I said, again, you can identify any local shop order as priority, next day, and second day tags. All the orders which have a shipped by date of that day must be shipped and processed in Seller Central, that is marked as shipped on the same day. In case you do not do either of it, your orders will get auto cancelled at midnight of the ship by date, and you might face cancellation charges, and your account will be tagged for lower performance. To make it easy for you, we recommend that you have a separate tab open for all local shop orders with the above mentioned filters, so that all you have to do is refresh the page and you will get the latest orders. Hand over the package to carrier with the ship by date is Also highly important as processing the orders in central seller central. Make sure that all your package are handed over to carrier partner on the same day. If you miss out on handing over the package, the carrier partner might not be able to deliver on time, which is not desirable. So like I mentioned, sellers, shipping or handing the package to your courier partner on the same day is super important. Which in case if that is not done, your performance will be impacted, and there is probably a chance where you lose out on Prime badge, which would definitely be a hit on a sales because Prime tag gives you high visibility on the .in page. Avoid pre-fulfillment orders cancellations. Once you receive an order from customers, it is a must and it is a must and should for you to process and deliver the order on time. Sellers are not allowed to cancel the orders under any circumstances. If you cancel any order, cancellation fee will be charged and will be a hit on your account performance. Customer cancellations are not a problem, but please do not cancel any orders on your own. So make sure you're prepared by following everything we spoke about in the previous slide so that you do not end up canceling orders for any reason. It is super important that you provide a valid tracking ID against every order. So providing a valid tracking ID is also a must and should for all orders. Customers will want to track the status of the orders on real-time basis and they might become anxious if they do not have the tracking details. So please provide a valid tracking ID if you are using an integrated carrier, or make sure you use the Amazon delivery app in case you're delivering the products by yourself. Like I give all of you a heads up in order cycle order life cycle page. Well, up next would be processing easy ship orders. In case and only in case if you have opted for selected self ship, that is local shops plus easy ship, please make sure to schedule your easy ship orders on time and keep the packages ready for pickup before the start of pickup slot. And up next is going to be something super important, that is keeping account on vacation. This is only in case you'd not be able to fulfill your orders due to any reason. It can be a personal reason or any reason. Please make sure to put your account on vacation so that you do not receive any order during these times. But also remember, any existing search ship orders that are unshipped must definitely be fulfilled on time. So let me just show you how to put your account on vacation if there's any emergency required. So all you got to do is go to your Seller Central page, settings, and account info. While we are here on this page, you must be seeing this tab called Going on Holidays. Just click on this, and you see inactive and save. So while you do this, you have kept your account on vacation state. Henceforth, you'll not be receiving any order until you get the account back to active. To get the account back live, all you got to do is go to settings, account for the same page, going on holidays tab, click on active and save. Now that we have learned how to be prepared for the festive season and what should one do during the festive season, we'll see if there's anything else that you should do in the next slide. The one important thing you should do after processing and handling over the package to your carrier partners is to ensure that they deliver the orders within the promised delivery date. Carriers carriers also will be witnessing a huge surge in the demand and they might miss out. So please be in touch with your carrier to get your products delivered on time. After all, customers will buy from us once again only if we keep up the promise that we make to them. So please make sure to deliver the products on time. So now you can sit back and relax as your customers enjoy products post the delivery. Well, up next, we'd see the best practices to be on this program.
Well, avoid auto cancellation of orders and do not cancel any orders by yourself. Frequently updating your inventory is a must. Use Amazon delivery app to track orders and scan orders. Well, ensure your delivery coverage is accurately updated so that your promised delivery time is not missed. Write to us at localshops at amazon.com for any queries, and we'll definitely be happy to help you. And you can, you have any concern, please write an email to us at localshops at amazon.com. Well, these are the frequently asked questions. Let me help you answer that. Well, the first question is, should I increase delivery coverage for the upcoming festive season? Well, the answer to this is, we'd recommend and insist you to work with your carrier partner and understand the delivery coverage that they would be able to fulfill or cater in same day, one day, and 2 day delivery. And similarly, you can update, or increase your delivery coverage basis your carrier partner capability. Next question. Can I process order once a day? Well, this is important to process your order on same day, one day, and 2 day delivery. And once you receive the order, you need to ship the product before the ship by date, either to your carrier partner, or if it is self delivery, you definitely deliver the order by yourself before the promised delivery time. Which orders should I prioritize first? Definitely the order which has a tag called priority, which is a same day, one day, and 2 day delivery. How do I decide and set my cutoff time? Well, you can definitely work with your carrier partner to understand, and understand what would be the order cutoff time, where they would be able to cater or fulfill the order on same day, one day, 2 day deliveries. Like I explained to you before, all you got to do is go to shipping settings, and you will be able to change the order cutoff time and order cutoff dates. Next question. Can I ship confirm today and hand over the package the next day to carrier partner? Well, it's a big no, because you need to hand over the package to the carrier partner on the same day, which is a ship by date. Up next, let me just give an heads up or an Uber level to understand how to get ready for the festive season. Well, these are the key elements or key things that you need to really make a note and be prepared for the festive season coming forth. Update listings with accurate pricing, maintain adequate inventory, ensure manpower availability, arrange for alternate internet connection and power backup, inform carrier partner for a potential spike in orders, check orders and seller central multiple times during the day, ensure timely processing, handling over, and delivery of orders, avoid pre-fulfillment order cancellations and late shipments, ensure all self-ship orders are delivered to customers on time, opt for 7 days working. Well, these are the key things, or key pointers that we would recommend to help you be ready for the festive season coming up. So sellers, please make a note of these points so that you're ready and get up to deliver a seamless experience to all your customers. Well, sellers, like mentioned, if there are any questions that you have, you can definitely post it now, and we'll be happy to answer. Thank you.